Today we are learning basic English sentence. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? How are you? Excuse me. Excuse me. Thank you. Thank you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Goodbye. Goodbye. I don't know. I don't know. You are welcome. You are welcome. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. See you later. See you later. Don't touch my phone. Don't touch my phone. I'm studying. I'm studying. Keep going. Keep going. Let's clean up. Let's clean up. Let's sing a song. Let's sing a song. I don't understand. I don't understand. I'm watching TV. I'm watching TV. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. I believe you. I believe you. I'm busy. I'm busy. I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm tired. I'm tired. It's sunny. It's sunny. It's raining. It's raining. It's okay. It's okay. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty. It's cold. It's cold. I like it. I like it. Let's eat. Let's eat. I love you. I love you. I miss you. I miss you. Take a bath. Take a bath. I'm sad.